Hello everybody, and welcome to my first Tornado Siren test of 2023. As some of you guys may know, I was not able to get the March Tornado Siren test at the beginning of the month because I was on vacation in San Diego, so I do apologize for not being able to film that. But today is Wednesday, March 22nd, and we're out here for a very special Tornado Siren test today. Today, Michigan is doing a statewide Tornado Siren test for Severe Weather Awareness Week. So they're going to sound off the sirens today here on a Wednesday at 1 p.m. So with that being said, we're just going to get right into it, and we'll talk more at the end of the test. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and you're going to want to turn down your volume. These 2001s are loud. So here we go. Welcome back, Tornado Siren Test of 2023. That'll be the first one I've recorded this year. And actually, when this was powering down, I actually could hear another one in the distance. Barely, I could hear one other 2001 in the distance powering down. But anyway, yeah, welcome back to Tornado Siren Test for 2023. It's about time that we get back into filming tests. It's been a while since I've actually gone out to film, so it's nice to finally be back. And considering today is only March 22nd, There's gonna be one in April too, coming up really soon. April 1st will be the first Saturday of the month in April, so that's not too far out too. So stick around. I don't know where I'm gonna go yet. This is actually a siren I have recorded before. I figured, you know what? Let's come back out to this one. This is an undisclosed location for privacy reasons. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching as always. Great to be back filming some more siren tests for you guys. They started this one right at 1 p.m. right on the dot. My watch said, well, 1 p.m. and like 15 seconds, but either way, right on the dot. I've seen times where they've been 2 minutes late, but they were right on the dot for today's statewide test. And yeah, actually, you know, it's funny, in the past, I have had trouble going out to film them. I've either been in school or I've been doing other stuff and I haven't been able to go out. So, and I think last year, if I'm not mistaken, they canceled the test because of severe weather conditions and they didn't want people to actually think it was real. So either way, we got the test done. This time I got to see it here on a Wednesday, which was pretty cool. The one exception of the year besides, obviously, if there's an actual emergency or the Saturday test. So that was pretty cool to see. Anyway, guys, with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on April 1st for the next Tornado Siren test. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.